Hello students, this is the tutorial of C Sharp Visual Studio 2019, and in this program we are going to introduce to you that what is the while loop. So I have kept the name of this program by while loop. What are these static and what is the class program? I have told you many times in my previous lectures. So in order to enhance and in order to have the concept about this line, you have to follow my previous classes. So let's start, and that is our new task. Integer index. I have taken this integer x, that is the local variable, and I am going to initialize the value from 1. That is the statement terminator that indicates the ending line of this statement or the expression. Here is a while loop, and what is the while loop? Basically it's a condition loop, and here the index value is the less than and is equal to 10, means it will be less and but it will be equal to, your loop will be start from 1 and will end on value 10. So in this body text you have to see the what is the value and what is the basically this loop will run. So console.write you know very well that we use to take the input. So that is the indicate you must show in this braces the local variable, and that is the index, and that is the plus sign. In C Sharp we use the double plus sign for the increment. That is the increment operator, and we also known as this is the arithmetic operator, and that is the console read line to show our output. So let's building this program and see our output. So students, here our loop has been done, and the value of this loop is from 1 to 10. For example, I am going to change the value from 1 to 20. So definitely I'll have to change 10 by 20. So see what happened by pressing the control F5. So see, there is a complete loop in front of you from 1 to 20. So student, our task has been done, and in order to enhance the knowledge of your C++ in Visual Studio 2019, you will have to keep watch my channel, that is the C Sharp and JavaScript tutorial, and very soon you will have the latest video regarding the JavaScript. Okay, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.